But I feel like it's a good segue into the topic of what we were gonna be talking about on today, and that's like wanting to know should people wait until marriage to have sex? And I mean, it's so ironic that you bring chastity belts and you say these is this for the youth or whatever. I mean,
engaged people, engagements, people that are serious about marriage and they want to keep themselves in the engagement period. That's the point of this invention.
Okay, so it's not for the teenagers, it's for the engagement. Okay. So is this part of like when a couple is coming to you for like counseling sessions
That's
and
part
stuff?
of the contract.
Okay.
If you come counsel with me, you wearing the belts.
Right. Right. And how long is the counseling session for you? And like when does the belt come off?
When they serious about marriage, if they serious about it, they come into a contract, and it depends on when they getting married. You know, and that's what it is. You can take the belt off for cleaning.
Right.
I love it.
Yeah, you take it off and clean it.
I mean, every so often it's a maintenance fee too.
Who do the maintenance? Who do the maintenance?
You got to edit this out.
I can't.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. Pastor, because it's
No. No.